Hi, this is Lauren with StoneMan Climbing Company, and I'm going to show you how to clean and rappel a route using a 4-footer with a limiter knot. So I've just confirmed that my rope is on the ground, both ends are down, and I want to set up my rappel. Before I do any more work, I want to clean up my station, and I can break down my master anchor since I'm no longer using it. I'm clipped in directly to the bolts. Clip both master carabiners into the top just to move it out of the way and clip it onto my harness. Now I have a much cleaner workstation where I can see what I'm doing. Before I put my rope on my rappel device, I'm going to first put on my third hand. I'm going to use an AutoBlock, although you can use several other friction hitches. I want to test my AutoBlock to make sure that it's going to hold, and it is holding. So I'm going to clip that into my belay loop and lock it. And I can pull up some slack and make sure that it is in fact holding. Next, I need to put on my rappel device, and I'm going to put it on the bottom part underneath the overhand knot on my 4-footer. Next, I need to make sure I have enough slack to put on my device. I pull the rope up and make a bite with both ends on the rope, making sure that the brake strand is coming down where I'm going to be holding it, and the top up to the anchor is on the left side. On my device, I want my brake strand coming out the front on the high friction side, so I'm going to pinch the bite and put it into the device. I want to make sure that I don't drop the device, so I pull both ropes through the middle of that loop and clip the ropes through the carabiner so I don't drop the device. Make sure you lock your carabiner, pull the slack out to test and see if it will hold, and it is. I can also see there's still slack in the rope, and my third hand is holding. Now I'm going to slide my third hand up to minimize that slack where I'm going to be holding my brake strand. Now that I've made sure that my AutoBlock is holding, my rappel device is good, now I can take myself off the anchor. I'm going to take off my backup piece and clip that onto my harness. Now before I take this last piece, I make sure that my right hand is on the brake strand because this is what will be holding me after I take my anchor off of the bolt. So I unlock and I put this on my harness, and I can lean back and I'm on rappel. As I go down, I slide the AutoBlock down with my bottom hand to make sure that it stays out of the way. If something were to happen and I had to let go, my AutoBlock will hold me as my third hand. All right, that's a wrap.